Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. I've got this tap here on a call out, not shutting off. So I'm changing the tap revivers. So I've got a kit, gonna change them both. In order to do so, I had to climb through the tight hole. So got in, good thing I had some insulation there that I could put my foot on, because otherwise I don't know how I would have got in. Then you can see down here, these are the isolation valves. One looks like it has never been turned off, and the other one was turnable. And you can see the pressure reducing valve there. And this is the pipework as it works its way up. Would be better if there was more access. So isolation valves in a more accessible place rather than down here, because not everybody would be able to get in. Now that's the pressure on the pressure reducing valve. You can see the gauge there doesn't marry up with what the actual valve says, the mechanical setting. You can see there it's saying 4.5, but the pressure gauge is saying something else. So I was making adjustments to see if I would see a difference in the gauge there. You can see it reducing there. So the flow rate, or should I say pressure, it was at before was a bit too. So here it is. So just checking to see what it's like. Gonna reduce it a little bit more to about 1 bar. Let's see what that's like. That's a bit better. This is my new drain rods for cleaning outside drainage and also unblocking toilets. I've been doing a lot of tap flushing as well for some ppms. I've also been doing quick fixes on guttering. So you can see this guttering pipe was leaking. Denso tape sorted it. Nice and easy. Then I had a leak to attend to over the Christmas. Ceiling collapsing, and then when you get there, there's no sign of a leak. Isn't that strange? Has that happened to you before? Almost as though somebody spilled a big bucket of water on the floor. Before you get going, do check out my playlist. I've got several playlists available. One has got my videos in there. That's where they are here. And then there's another one with a variety of HVAC and building service videos. So I find that's very good for all sorts of videos in the building trade, a lot of other commercial videos and so on. Check that out if you haven't already. And there's ones with commercial tightness test. I've also got some BMS and electrical videos, forced draft burner videos, pumps, gas-fired water heaters, and some of the first sites I came across as a commercial engineer. So check that out. According to my channel's analytics, these are the other channels my subscribers watch. Let me know if you watch any of these guys. Okay, thank you for joining me, and if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed, please do so. I do not like to say in my videos, like is quite common for to beg people to subscribe non-stop, because it can be annoying. But nonetheless, thank you for subscribing if you have already, and thank you for your support on this little channel of mine. Until next time for me to hit the road. Have a good happy new year. Bye.